Hey friends, so I know it's been a while since I've been on here. Healing has been going great, but that's not why we're here today. We're here because we have a hunt to killer. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos because due to my medical stuff and all that, I had to postpone my subscription for a while, so now we finally got a new box. Finally. Okay, so we are on episode 4 for Mallory Rock. This has 11 items in it. We've got Gwen's letter, Clarence's letter, a photo, 2 encoded notes, a vote record, a member list, a bridge proposal, stamp, ink pad, and a pocket mirror. So let's dig in. Ooh, this thing don't want to. Doesn't want to open. All right, Lily, sit down, please. Sit down so you don't knock my phone over. Stop. Alright, so just trying to pull everything out. Okay, here's our letter from Gwen. Here is our letter from Clarence. I'm guessing this is our photograph or our photo. We've got this right here. This must be, yeah, this is one of the encoded notes. This is another encoded note. Here's the bridge proposal. Lily, sit down. This is the member list because it's got all the signatures down there. Let's see. This is, no wait. This is the bridge proposal. Okay, I've got an ink pad. And I've got the pocket mirror, but I don't have a stamp. So I'm going to have to contact them and let them know that I'm missing a stamp. This is the first time since having this subscription that I've ever been missing anything. But I just wanted to jump on here, do a quick unboxing, let you guys know I'm still here. Just haven't been posting very much. So I apologize for that. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.